For decades, the automotive world has worshipped a very specific gatekeeper, aggressively convincing us that building a true, high-performance shooting brake requires a century of European heritage and an absolutely astronomical price tag. We have been conditioned to believe that blending the sleek, low-slung dynamics of a sports car with the elongated practicality of a wagon is an exclusive dark art reserved only for legacy royalty. But what if a technology titan just decided to completely rewrite those rules overnight? The ultra-premium wagon segment has long been dominated by spectacular, but eye-wateringly expensive machines like the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo or the Audi e-tron GT. Vehicles that offer undeniable driving dynamics but frequently treat cutting-edge software as a secondary, overpriced afterthought. Enter the 2026 Huawei Aistaland GT7, a revolutionary tri-motor electric shooting brake co-developed with GAC that is violently disrupting the luxury grand touring space. Born from the ambitious AI Start New Land vision, this is not just a beautifully sculpted car. It is a highly advanced, rolling supercomputer determined to challenge the very concept of traditional automotive supremacy and deliver a fatal blow to the establishment. When you stack the GT7 directly against its fiercest domestic rival, the Zeekr one, or compare it to the esteemed Taycan, the tension becomes incredibly palpable. The Porsche undoubtedly commands the heritage advantage, but the Aistaland GT7 counters with an unprecedented fusion of Huawei's Taycan technological ecosystem and GAC's formidable manufacturing might, actively surpassing its legacy competitors in pure digital integration, sensor resolution, and autonomous hardware capabilities. This aggressive push into the premium sector is not a random experiment. Following the massive market success of their heavy-hitting 8.0 M9 SUV and the ultra-luxurious Mixtro S800 flagship sedan, Huawei has strategically partnered with GAC to purposefully avoid the saturated crossover market. Instead, they are surgically targeting the niche, enthusiast-driven 3% of buyers who genuinely crave the elegant, stretched proportions of a bespoke shooting brake. Visually, the Aistaland GT7 is an absolute cinematic masterpiece of elegant tension aesthetics that commands your attention from every angle. The front fascia is defined by a perfectly smooth aluminum clamshell hood that flows aggressively into the Smart Eye headlight cluster, an assembly featuring Huawei's remarkable XBIXCL dual-megapixel intelligent projection beams that effectively slice through the darkness. Moving along its imposing 5-meter length and sprawling 3,000mm wheelbase, the roofline tapers beautifully into a precise 21.5-degree golden shooting brake angle, sitting heavily and confidently on massive 20-inch 10-spoke rims. The rear completely finalizes the sci-fi aesthetic with a stunning, full-width light bar that leaves a hauntingly beautiful digital signature in the night, perfectly matching the wide-body, low-slung stance of the absolute most elite European sports wagons. Stepping inside the GT7 is akin to crossing the threshold into a next-generation executive digital lounge, focusing squarely on the profound comfort and spatial efficiency afforded by that massive wheelbase. The driver is immediately greeted by the expansive augmented reality HUAWEI XHUD, a system that seamlessly projects vital telemetry and navigation data directly across the windshield, keeping your eyes locked on the horizon. The entire cabin is acoustically transformed by the incredibly immersive HUAWEI Sound AI interactive system, bathing the premium, tailored interior in concert hall audio quality, while the next-generation Xiaomi AI assistant handles every vehicle function with flawless voice recognition. What truly separates the Aistaland GT7 from the rest of the pack, however, is its terrifyingly advanced hardware and sensor suite. Mounted elegantly to the chassis is a world-first, mass-produced 896-channel dual-beam image-grade LiDAR, an ultra-high-resolution system that completely dwarfs the standard 192 line units found in current competitors, allowing the pre-installed Taycan L3 autonomous driving architecture to actively predict complex road conditions with near-human intuition. Underneath this technological marvel lies a powertrain built to absolutely decimate the asphalt, utilizing a terrifying tri-motor all-wheel drive configuration, paired with a highly customized version of CATL's legendary Kilin nickel-manganese cobalt battery. Whether you opt for the pure battery electric model or the incredibly versatile range-extended variant, the GT7 delivers instantaneous, violently fast acceleration that effortlessly rivals purpose-built track cars, while the revolutionary Huawei XMC digital chassis engine, co-tuned by former McLaren engineers, ensures this heavy grand tourer dances through technical corners with absolute precision. When it comes to pricing, the GT7 throws a massive, disruptive wrench into the global market, offering a hyper-premium, tech-loaded experience that heavily undercuts the six-figure ransom demanded by legacy German wagons. As international trade landscapes continue to dramatically shift, particularly with the 2026 Canadian automotive tariffs rapidly altering the influx of foreign EVs into North America, highly competitive vehicles like the GT7 present a genuinely compelling, barrier-breaking value proposition. Of course, to maintain complete credibility, we must acknowledge that wagons simply do not sell in the massive volumes that SUVs do, making widespread global adoption an uphill battle in a very difficult niche segment. Furthermore, international buyers will inevitably face highly realistic questions regarding long-term service networks and the depreciation curves of a brand-new marque compared to established legacy brands. Despite these expected hurdles, the Huawei Aistaland GT7 represents a massive watershed moment, forcefully proving that new automotive disruptors are now building highly desirable, emotionally resonant enthusiast machines that lead the entire world in digital integration. It is a bold, undeniable declaration that the future of the Grand Tourer firmly belongs to the tech giants, forcing us to seriously question our long-standing brand loyalties. So I have to ask you directly, would you actively choose the hyper-advanced Aistaland GT7 over a traditional, heritage-backed European sports wagon? Or is the historic pull of a legacy badge still just a little too strong to resist? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to constantly stay ahead of the curve on the absolute bleeding edge of automotive innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now.